Okay, go. What does that word say?
Cat.
All right.
Meow.
Very good.
What does that say?
Eyes.
Eyes. Very good. What does that word say?
Cat. Cat.
Clap.
Very good.
Good job. What does this word say, Trinity?
Guy.
What?
Tiger.
Tiger.
Very good.
Right.
What do tigers say?
what does this word say?
Dog.
What do
Very
dogs say?
Yeah.
What is
Mouse.
it? Mouth? Did you say mouth?
Turn them
What
in
does that
slightly
say?
to me so they don't get
Read
glare.
it again.
Ear.
Very good.
Ear.
What does that say?
Ear.
What does it say? Nose.
Eye. Eye.
Turn the cards to me so I can see them too.
Eye.
Very good. Oh, what does that one say?
Good job.
Arms up, that's right.
Yay! Now to 10. You want to show your other cards
Yay! Keep going.
too? Okay.
We're still filming you.
Keep going. Alright. Here we go. What does that say? What does it say? Are you done? Sit.
Are you finished?
You just, okay, you want some new cards, but we're not there yet.
What does that one say? That's right.
What does that say? What? Read it. What? What does a rattle do? How about that one? Smiling,
Smiling.
not smile. Did you forget?
Can you read the word?
What? Point. Very good. Louder. Good job.
Yeah, that's right.
Louder. You gotta say it louder. Okay.
You're awesome, Trin.
What? Tom. Very good. And this one is hard for you to say, so say it the short way. What does it say?
Chimpanzee.
Very good.
Very good.
New word. Let's see if she knows these. She hasn't gone over these, so she doesn't know them. What does that say? Good job. No. Good job. What does it say?
Trinity.
Fingers. Say fingers.
Say fingers.
How about this one? She's done. She doesn't know these.
Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Wave to Mama.
Say, my name is Titi.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye. Wave to the camera.